Finding clients as a UGC creator is super difficult. You have to compete with other people, you have to be quick, and a lot of the times, if you reach out yourself, the client doesn't need your service. That's why in this video, I want to show you how to find clients as a UGC creator for free and how to skip that process entirely, talking to the client back and forth, and sell your videos that you filmed in the past without any outreach at all. First, if you want to find a lot of clients, I suggest you go to Reddit/UGC creators. This is a hub of UGC creators and businesses looking for UGC creators. As you can see, they constantly post paid collabs looking for creators. So what you would do is you would create a Reddit account. You would go right here and click on weekly UGC collab opportunities. This is where businesses post collab opportunities every single week. If you go down below, you'll see all kinds of brands. You see Creator Grid, First Chair, Hello Sugar. There are a lot of comments, a lot of businesses looking for creators. What you would do then is click Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy all of this web page and ask ChatGPT or Claude to find businesses that you want to work with. So in Claude or ChatGPT, all you want to do is post what you copied and say, please return the businesses that I can work with. I want to work with tech, apps, SaaS companies, websites, anything that doesn't have a physical product. Return a table with emails, business name, person name, and details, right? And this way, you'll have a lot of options that are related to you, to your work, to whatever you want to work with, right? Instead of now scraping every possible client, every business that's out there in the world, reaching out to everybody, you'll be able to select businesses that you actually want to work with, that actually pay a lot, and that you can deliver the results for. As you can see, it made a table saying the business name, contact email, as you can see right here, Reddit handle, pay, $200 to $400 per video, 150 a video, and key details, right? Platform connects creators with Notion, AI interior design app, habit fitness app. It only shows apps because that's what I asked it to do, right? Now, what you would do is just grab those emails to the businesses that you liked. You would send them a proposal saying, hey, I saw your business inquiry. I can create videos in this range. I've done this and that for this previous app. Let's work together, right? And this is how quickly you can secure a deal. Now, if you want to skip all of this outreach altogether, if you want to skip looking for these businesses and you want to just sell your videos and be happy, then I suggest you use this. UGC Drop is an app that allows people to trade UGC clips. Basically, what you would do is upload your own previously recorded or newly recorded UGC clips, like without editing, basically raw footage, and you would get paid for it or trade with people. So for example, let's say you have a lot of videos on your camera roll, right? You film yourself walking, you film yourself traveling, you film yourself eating food. You can just go here and sell those old videos, even if you filmed some videos for other clients, right? Maybe you filmed some hooks, crying reactions, some outfit checks. What you would do is you would go to ugcdrop.com/creator. You would scroll down to click sell your videos. You would click submit clips. All you do is fill in this form. For example, Sam, I have lifestyle B-roll, link to your clips, make a simple sample of clips, upload it to a Google Drive. You can watermark it, doesn't matter. Select how many clips you have, select your pricing range, add a message optional, and submit your clips. And that's it. After approval, you'll be paid right away, and you don't need to do any outreach, no back and forth with clients, no revisions, none of that. So if you want to take a look, I'll leave the link in the description. And if you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. It was me, Sam. Have a good one, and peace.